This is a beautiful modern house, and this is a very powerful TNT cannon or Moonstone explosive cannon. And with this cannon, we can shoot and destroy this house. Just like that. But what if I told you that there is a cannon much stronger than this basic TNT cannon? A cannon that can shoot many ice balls at once. So this cannon can actually destroy lots of stuff. So if you're on a server with press to get ice ball or fireballs, where you have practically infinite ice balls or fireballs, this cannon is for you. So anyway, let's jump right into the video. Alright, so now let's build this cannon. So you want to tower up like 20 blocks, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Actually just 15. 15 is good. Actually, and using the super compressed stone or any durable block. Then you want to go one block out from each side and go up 2 layers. Then you want to recover this whole area, this 3x3 square with water, using a water bucket. You'll find out why, but this is a very important step. Then you want to go here in the back, leave a 1 block gap, and then build a 3x3 square as shown. Then go down, leave a 2 block gap like this, like between the 3x3 square and this, and build another 3x3 square. Then we want to break this middle block and place a trapdoor for easy access. So now let's find out how this cannon actually works. So what you do is you want to go up here and then shoot lots of ice balls into the water. Lots, like a lot. Not just 1 and 2 or something like that. There we go. There, that should be enough. Then you want to go down here. I'm going to go down here to show you the result. But you go down here and shoot the ice ball here. So let me show you. You shoot an ice ball here. And as you can see, all the ice balls just spread around. Like it's huge. The ice balls all go. And this can be very destructive for servers. So I guess, yeah, that's the cannon, guys. Of course, the more fireballs you put, the stronger it's gonna be. So it depends how much fireballs you put. Ice balls. You see, and also it depends the angle you shoot the fireball from. If you shoot it at the center, it'll go bam. But if you shoot it on top and you want to destroy some stuff like I just did, like just place a few fireballs here, and then you shoot it from top, it will go down and destroy lots of stuff and turn them into ice. So anyways guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. We're so close to 100 subscribers. So if you subscribe, that would mean a lot to me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.